Hey guys, ever had this happen to you?
Alright, the phone just froze up. Now,
This is on you. Well, I'm gonna show you a little trick that I found out that works. Now, further ado, here it is.
try to do. To fix this, from the phone being frozen, watch this. I'm going to get out of it. Press app again. Yes. Get out of it. As you can see, the drone is still in place. You're going to be still in the app. I'm going to move this over just so that if I can make that a little bit bigger. All right, the drone is still going in midair. Now, we're going to try to reconnect. Reconnect the Wi-Fi. It is connected. So, you're going to go back. You're going to go back into the Tello app. This is how to fix it. And hopefully this will fix it. Come on, baby. Alright. Now, you got control again.
I hope you enjoyed that. I got another one coming for you. Pretty much, if you liked it, please smash that like button. And don't forget to hit the bell when you subscribe on the notification. So, if you like what you're seeing, subscribe to my page.